शुभोदय बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? हाउ आर यू? ओके, आई होप you have seen all the videos which is uploaded in the YouTube. Okay, listen carefully and learn those. In those videos what is given, learn those, practice those. Okay children, so if you practice, at least you will learn and remember whatever given in that until the school reopens. Okay ma, and don't neglect those lessons which I taught in the last videos. So today I am going to teach you a new topic. Okay ma, so do you like stories? All like the stories. Okay, so that means we have a lot of stories, and you know those stories also. In Telugu you have a lot of stories, in English you have lot of stories. Small tales means, tales, small stories. Tales means small stories will be there. So all these stories, most of the stories you know in Telugu and English as well as in English. And Hindi also, in Hindi also we have some stories. You are able to write in English and in Telugu also stories. You are able to write. You can write those in those two languages. But in Hindi you can't write. If you learn properly Hindi, then you are able to write in Hindi also. Okay, so today I am going to teach you a story in Hindi. Try to learn that how to write. If anyone asks you to write the story in Hindi, you can at least learn this, by heart this, and write in front of them. Okay, a few stories, rhymes in Hindi you must learn and by heart. If anyone asks you to say a rhyme in Hindi or a story in Hindi, means you can. Okay children, so that's why you have to learn and write. Okay, so today we are going to learn a story, and this story is very famous story. Already it is there in Telugu, and you know this story also. Are you excited to listen the story? Okay, first see, in Telugu, primary Telugu textbooks till 5th class, they will ask you to write the story. If they want to make you to write the story, they'll give some pictures, hint pictures. No? According to the picture, you will make the sentences, and you will frame the sentences as according to you, and you will write the story. And you will see the pictures, what is given there, and what is the situation in that picture is going on. All these things you will do. You will see and write of your own. So here also, like that only it is given. Here some hint pictures are given. So basing on these hint pictures, you must write the story in Hindi. Okay children, so today the story is Saamp Cheetiyan. What is the story? Saamp Cheetiyan. Saamp Cheetiyan. Okay, today the story is Saamp Cheetiyan. Saamp means what? Snake. Cheetiyan means ants. Did you get that? Which story is that? Do you remember the story? Pamu Chimalu. Do you remember that story? Okay, maybe you got that. Which story is that? Okay, so today we are going to learn this story in Hindi. First I'll read each and every sentence. Okay, एक घमंडी सांप था. Okay, एक घमंडी सांप था. One snake is there which is so proud of it. చాలా గర్వంగా ఉండేది అనమాట ఆ పాము. సో ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. దట్ స్నేక్ ఈజ్ సో ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. वह चींटियों के बिल में घुसना चाहा. Actually proud means when we feel proud, You must know this point. When we feel proud that no one can do me anything like that, నన్ను ఎవరు ఏమి చేయలేరు అనుకున్నప్పుడే మనం చాలా ప్రౌడ్గా ఫీల్ అవుతాం. అంత గర్వం ఎక్కువ అయిపోతుంది అనమాట. ప్రౌడ్ మీన్స్ ఇన్ తెలుగు గర్వం అంటే దే కాంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ బై హ్యావింగ్ ఎ బిగ్ సపోర్ట్ ఆన్ బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్ యూ, సో దట్ యూ ఫీల్ లైక్ దట్ నన్ను ఎవరు ఏం చేయలేరు, నో వన్ కెన్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ మీ. సో then we feel very proud, we feel prideness. Okay, here also this snake is thinking about it that I am so proud of me, నేను చాలా గర్వంగా ఉంటాను అని ఫీల్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. సో దట్స్ వై వాట్ షీ ఈస్ థింకింగ్ స్టిల్ मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, I can do anything whatever I want, I can hurt the animals, whatever I want, I can do anything like that. This snake is thinking and feeling so proud of itself. वह चींटियों के बिल में घुसना चाहा, चींटियों के बिल में घुसना चाहा. Actually here bill means hole, bill means hole. See, all the snakes will be in the holes, no? Snake holes will be there, no? పాములు పుట్టలు అంటారు కదా, snake holes, they will be in the holes. Actually those holes are not made by the snakes. Snakes can't make the holes. They will grab the holes of these ants. Those holes are made by the ants, and these snakes will grab the holes of the ants and they will live in that. These snakes will live in that. So here also what happened, वह चींटियों के बिल में घुसना, enter, घुसना means enter. If this snake wants to enter into where, enter into the holes of ants, holes of ants. Okay, चींटियों ने रोकने की कोशिश की. These what happened next, all these ants tried to stop this snake. Okay, so next what happened we'll see. सांप ने चींटियों पर हमला किया. So then what happened, this snake is so proud of it, no, and she thinks that I can do anything whatever I want. So that this snake tried to fight with these ants. The snake tried to fight with the ants. Okay, हमला किया. सभी चींटियों ने सांप को काटकर मार डाला. Finally what happened, there so many ants are there, and all these ants fought with the snake, and finally what, they killed the snake. They killed the snake. Okay, इस तरह चींटियों ने बुद्धिमानी से शक्तिशाली शत्रु को मार डाला. So with their cleverness, these ants are so clever. With their cleverness, what they did, they killed the ant which is so strong than, too strong than these ants. Okay, so here what you understand from this lesson, we must be unity in diversity. We must be together. When we get a problem, we must be together. Then ఎంత పెద్ద సమస్య వచ్చినా సరే, whatever the problem it may be, if it is a big problem, if we all together, we can solve the problem easily when we are having unity in between us. If only we'll go and fight, only one will go and fight with that, the problem means we can't, he or she can't solve that problem. So when we all together, then we can fight with that problem and can solve the problem. That is one thing. And the other thing is the clever, in front of the cleverness, this what we say, శక్తి గల వాళ్ళు ఎవరు కూడా బుద్ధిమంతుల్ని జయించలేరు. శక్తి ఒకటే ఉంటే సరిపోదు, Okay, only having energy is not enough. We must have cleverness also. So in front of, see, even the people is very lean and low grade people also, if they are clever, they can defeat a big king like kings and all, a big persons like kings and all, if they are clever with their cleverness. So all people think that I am so strong, I can do anything, I can kick anyone, I can beat like anyone, no one can beat me, no one can kick me, no one can defeat me in the fighting, like that they will think. బాడీ బిల్డింగ్ చేసేసి నేను ఏదైనా చేసేయగలను, ఎవరినైనా కొట్టేయగలను అని అనుకుంటారు. బట్ నో, ఓన్లీ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇనఫ్. దే మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ క్లెవర్నెస్ ఆల్సో. మనం బుద్ధిమంతులైనప్పుడే, అంటే తెలివి గల వాళ్ళు ఎవరి చేతిలోనూ ఓడిపోరు, తెలివైన వాళ్ళు ఎవరి చేతిలో ఓడిపోరు అనమాట. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్టోరీ. two moral points we learned in this story. Okay, do you understand what I said? Okay, once again I'll tell the moral in this story. One is, if we are having unity in between us, we can solve any problem, either it is a big problem or a small problem. Okay, that is the one point. And the other point is, being strong is not enough. Being strong is not enough. We must have cleverness also. With cleverness, we can defeat anyone. We can defeat a strong person also with our cleverness. See, one man will be so strong and having a big muscles, strong muscles, and the other person is having no muscles and he is so lean and all. But this strong person will think that I can kick him like anything, I can beat him like anything, so easily I can defeat him. But this lean person is so clever than that strong person, easily he can defeat that person, the person who is strong. So here, having strongness or energy is not enough. We must have a cleverness also. We must be clever. Okay children, do you understand these 2 points, moral points in this story? Okay, so I'll explain the story in English also. I'll tell you in English also. Once again I'll tell you in English. See, English and I'll write on the board also. These lines I'll write on the board. Hindi and English lines I'll write on them. First we'll see the picture here. This one. There is a snake which is so proud of it. There is a snake which is so proud of it. And the next picture is, see, this snake wants to enter into the holes of the ants. Holes of the ants. Why? Because it feels that I am so proud of me, I can do anything, no one can defeat me, like that it feels. And so that it wants to enter into the water, ants holes. And next what happened? All these ants try to attack. Hamla means attack. Try to attack this snake. Okay, and after attacking the snake, see, after attacking the snake, what happened? All the ants attacked the snake and they killed the snake. Okay, the same point I'll tell you in Hindi. एक सांप है जो बहुत घमंडी था. Okay, और वो क्या करना चाहता है? एक चींटियों के बिल में घुसना चाहता है. चींटियों के बिल में घुसना चाहता है और चींटियों ने उसे रोककर, इस सांप को रोककर चींटियों ने उस पर हमला किया. उस सांप पर हमला किया. अपनी बुद्धिमानी से चींटियों ने सांप को मार डाला. शक्तिशाली सांप को मार डाला. Just 4 to 5 points you have to write in Hindi. A story, if anyone asks you to write one story, means you must write at least 4 to 5 points. Why? Because you are small kids now. So just now you entered into the 6th class and you are trying to learn Hindi. Okay, till 5th class you learn mostly words, small sentences. Okay, so now I'll write the story on the board. Okay, children, listen. I'll read and write the story on the board. एक घमंडी, एक घमंडी सांप था। There was a snake which is which was so proud of it. So proud of it. Which was so proud of it. वह चींटियों के दिल में घुसना चाहा। It tried to enter into the ants' hole. चींटियों ने रोकने की कोशिश की। The ants tried to stop it. Stop the snake. Try to stop the snake. Okay. सांप ने चींटियों पर हमला किया। सांप ने चींटियों पर हमला किया। The snake tried to attack ants. Attack the ants. सभी चींटियों ने सांप को काटकर मार डाला। All the ants bite the snake and kill. इस तरह चींटियों ने बुद्धिमानी से शक्तिशाली सांप को शत्रु को मार डाला। Okay, I write this line English meaning this said इस तरह चींटियों ने बुद्धिमानी से शक्तिशाली सांप को शत्रु को मार डाला। Once we go through all the lines, we'll go through all the lines. एक घमंडी सांप था, वह चींटियों के बिल में घुसना चाहा। चींटियों ने रोकने की कोशिश की। They tried to stop the these ants. The ants tried to stop the snake. सांप ने चींटियों पर हमला किया। The snake tried to attack the ants. सभी चींटियों ने सांप को काटकर मार डाला। All these, what happened? All the ants bite the snake and killed. इस तरह चींटियों ने बुद्धिमानी से शक्तिशाली शत्रु को मार डाला। In this way, I write here last one sentence, English sentence, meaning of that last one. So in this way, with their cleverness, in this way, with their cleverness, they killed the strongest enemy. Okay, so this is the story. In this way, with their cleverness, they killed the strongest enemy. And the moral also I told you now, unity in डाइवर्सिटी, ऐकमत्य में महाबलम, एकता में ही सभी का भला होता है, एकता में ही सभी का भला होता है। नॉट ओनली दैट, विद द क्लेवरनेस, बुद्धिमानी से किसी को भी हम जीत सकते हैं, बुद्धिमानी से किसी को भी हम जीत सकते हैं। बुद्धिमानी से हम सकते हैं। ओके, so this is our story. With the cleverness we can defeat anyone. Those who are strongest, we can defeat strong people also. Those who feel very proud of them, such type of people also we can defeat with our cleverness. Even though we are lean, or even though we don't have any background, but with our cleverness we can defeat any person if they are not good, and the person is our enemy, strongest enemy also. Even though he is the strongest enemy also, we can defeat. Okay children, next once we will go through the meanings. I'll read the meanings. Ghamandi, proud. Samp, snake. Chindiya, ants. Bill, hole. Ghusna, entering. Rokna, stopping. Koshish, trying. Hamla, attack. Okay. Katkar, biting. Buddhiman, cleverness. Shaktishali, strongest. Okay, strongest person. So these are the meanings I'll give in the next video. So till now, what you learn, what I gave on the board, you just learn the story, Hindi story. English in English already you know. You just learn in Hindi. Okay, and then if anyone asks you to say any story in Hindi, easily you can say this one. Okay ma? Do you understand what the story I taught you? Okay. So the story name is, what is the story name? Samp और चींटियाँ. What is the story name? Samp और चींटियाँ. When you start writing the story, we must write the name of the story also. Okay. See, we must write the name of the story also, and everything should be in the past tense. Okay, children. We must write the story in past tense also. Thank you. Okay, ma.